So what's going on, everybody? Welcome to another live New York session. It's February 2nd, 2023. Before we get started, we're going to go ahead and check the news. And as we can see, we don't have any news today. So that's good. So we're going to go ahead and start marking up. All right, so we're going to mark the supply demand market structure. So you can see that there was a good amount of demand here. And that's why price started reversing and buying up really, really hard. So we can see good demand in this area. We can also see some good demand in this area as well. That's the reason why you saw price buy up really, really hard all the way up until this point, came back down to this area and then went up even further. And then you see that there was good supply here. That's why price pushed down to this point. You ultimately see a lot of supply up here. And you also see a lot of demand there. And then you kind of see a little bit of a solid zone here. So I'm going to draw zones in these areas. So then we can see that there was another strong supply up here. So now what we're going to do is move on to the 30-minute. And basically we're repeating the same type of process all the way to the 4-hour. And then we're going to mark up these areas here. So we can see there's a solid supply here. That's what pushed price all the way down to this point. We had a little bit of a strong demand here because it forced price to go up to here. And then you had solid supply here as well. Yeah. We're going to mark up these areas. This is good enough. So now we're going to skip on to the 1-hour. So let's see. Yeah. So we can see that there was solid supply here. Let's see. Yeah. Zones here. See now we're going to move to the 4-hour. And as we can see, this is where prices is this is what current prices is at as far as where the nearest zone that is supporting the resistance. So let's go back to the 15-minute. And so we can see at this point, the price has rested up on a demand here and pushed all the way up. So now when I kind of look at price here, it looks to me that price is getting close to, if I can draw a zone here. Looks like price is resting on very close to this supply zone here. So it's a possibility price could maybe push all the way up to this supply zone and then start to sell down. Maybe get all this in balance, create a swing low and go up. So I'm probably planning on doing a sell, possibly. But I'm going to wait until the next candle closes and then make my decision. So we have a little bit over 5 minutes to 9:15 candle goes, and then we'll make our decision. So stay tuned.
Good.
All right. So 9:15 candle is starting. So this is what I'm planning on doing. I'm planning on going for a sell. I think the price is probably going to maybe push up against this supply. Let me do this. I believe there's some sellers putting me up here. So I'm planning on getting that. So my goal is with this take pocket one. Here, this is only 900 points. All the way down here. That's what I'm going to go for. And of course, so I'm probably going to set the sell on my phone and then do the buy on the computer. That's what I'm going to go for. So once we get to 928. I'm in this shape of trade, and then we'll see the results we get. So we have 13 minutes. Be right back. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting my trades in. It's 928. Sell. I'm going to initiate the sell on another trade for the computer here. And then the buy, excuse me. Enough money. Okay. Oh yeah, because I'm doing a demo. So let me do 10 points. So demo. We do 5 points in engineering. Yeah, should have reset it this demo. So it looks like it's pushing up. And there's a buying up. Might be buying up. Let me switch to. Yeah, it's pushing up. So it's 930 now. So it looks like it bought up instead. But it might be hitting this resistance though. Let's wait a few minutes. It's buying up. Okay. So it might buy up some more and then maybe hit a supply up in this area again. Let me switch over to the other money trade, see where they're at. Ooh, 18 grand. Yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and close this. $22 grand. So let's see. So as we can see here, we profited on the buy, so it bought up instead. So that's 21 grand, $21,190. Yeah, I have a feeling we're going to hit it tomorrow. So pretty much it. So let me switch to the main screen here. Let's see. Price is rejecting this area, so it probably did a bull trap. Then it's probably going to push the start to sell. Always reporting to see if it sells. If it does, I didn't sell my demo review. See if I get something out of it. Then we'll wrap this session up. It should be in that. Looks like price hasn't sold yet, so we'll probably just go ahead and wrap it up. As you can see, price bought up first. I think it might eventually sell. We're on that buy. 21 grand, so that's cool. That's cool. So we'll just wrap this up. So see you guys next time. Bye.